Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your language on Talabat account. So first we're going to go to the Talabat app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the App Store, Play Store. You could also confirm your PIN location every other time. Then next click on account. Then click on settings on the top right corner. Then as you can see there's the language option is turned on English. So you have two options other than English. Then you guys can select whatever you want. So as you can see it's going to change the language. So this is Arabic basically. Then if you guys want to go back to your default settings, you guys could do the same. Click on accounts, click on settings, then go to language and change the language. So that's how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.